Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Miracles happen when you forgive. You are born with the capacity to forgive, but you learn the opposite behavior. You learn not to forgive, you practice not to forgive, and you master not to forgive. When you learn to let go of your pride and ask for forgiveness, miracles start to happen in your life. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 134, NASDAQ up 28, S&P's up 10, gold contract down $9.70, trading at $1,333 an ounce. Gold broke a B point. We'll see whether we broke it with volume. ABC structure on the way down. Silver still didn't break. Silver's only down 9 cents, $20.31. Platinum up $3.50 at $1,100 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.24 a pound. Light sweet crude up 73 cents, trading at $45.48. You have the bonds. The notes were down 16 ticks, 132.10. Bonds were off a full 2 points, 172.31. Both notes and bonds, they got into a B point, didn't have enough volume, but it looks to me like they still want lower price. King dollar down 88 ticks, 96.12. Now, a king dollar is done for 2 full weeks, folks. Is back down, lighter volume, each and every day. It's rejecting lower price. King dollar looks like it wants to break topside and get into that 98 area. The 98 area is still a dead cat bounce, but what it is, it's the 98.80, and that's the downdraft. That was the last downdraft that we had inside the dollar. That's where that occurred. So we did, in February, you came down hard. You made it all the way back up to March 10th. March 10th, you gave it up both at the exact same price point. That's where it looks like King Dollar wants to go. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is at 105. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Well, I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? Okay, so the SPY is trading out at a price point of 216. It looks like that thing wants to run up to the 218 area. Where we're getting at is at a small ABC structure on the way up, and that's where that baby looks like it wants to get into. Dow Industrial, same test setup in the Dow. What you're talking about we're in a Thursday of a week that each and every day it's going up. You get summer trading, meaning Monday, Fridays are always slow days in the marketplace. You can push it around. I expect you're going to probably pick up another 134, 140 points tomorrow inside the Dow. NASDAQ composite out here, different animal. Up good today, and I do expect you're going to get more up in the composite tomorrow. It's dying on the vine, though, as it gets up into these higher prices. Up 28 bucks today. You're at 5,034. What I do expect we're going to hit is the 5,116, somewhere in there, and that's where I expect it will fall apart once again. You get the number. It fell apart in August of 2015 at 5,092. Then it fell apart at 5,116. So that's the number I'm looking for, somewhere in that 592 area. And the 92, of course, only 50 points higher than where we are. Gold contract. What do we have at gold? Gold contract out here today, folks, did 251,000 contracts. I believe that means that we have an ABC down, because I think it was 257, I think. Okay, so check it out. Pretty cool. So Tuesday, we came down to 1331. You did 257,000 contracts. We only did 251 today. So it's not an ABC down. It got over the 1331 again, so we'll see whether it can get into higher price tomorrow. Of course, Friday inside the gold market is dangerous, especially when you've come down 4 days in a row. You know, we started out the week at 1376. It's not down a lot. There's no doubt about that. But bottom line, you get 4 days down. Coming into a Friday, that is a danger inside that metals market. That being said, guess what? Silver will not crack. Silver got down into lower price today. SSI. silver traded to $20.06. We've done 60,000 contracts. That's really a sideways move, staying at the highs with light volume. So silver hasn't cracked. We'll see if it, in fact, it does. My expectation is that it will. The notes. We go take a look at the notes. This is what you have with the notes. Now, the notes want lower price. The bonds want lower price. That sets up with the S&P and the Dow wanting higher price. We came down on Tuesday with 1.4 million contracts. We've done 1.2 million today. You're at 132.10. It looks to me like the 10-year will come back to where it broke out from on the 24th of June, which is 130.21. We're 132 right now. The 30-year, a little bit different, but bottom line, also had some good juice on the way down. You're down 2 full points. We're at $172.31 ticks. Next stop is down into the 171.01. And more than likely, what I expect, you're actually going to be down there tomorrow morning. Now, if we come down to those levels and we do see a slight expansion of volume, that would set up that the 30-year also wants to go back to the 165.25 area, which is, a counter-trend move because the bonds still look like one higher price, but that's quite a move when we're talking about, it was quite a move in the way up. On the 24th, we were at 165. By July 8th, we're at 177, and it looks like it took us about 10, 12 days to get up, and it will take us about 5 days to get back into lower prices. King dollar. Now, king dollar is a wild card out here, folks. It's the wild card when you take a look at, number one, where it wants to go, why it wants to go, because if, in fact, king dollar breaks over this price point of 96.70, which is the swing high of the 24th, that is saying it wants to get up into the $99 area. It's 98.91, which was the high of February. That's where it broke down from, the last time it broke down. If, in fact, we break topside and we get up to that area, that's signaling two different things. It's signaling that more than likely we very well may get one rate hike in December. And what it would also do is say, okay, guess what? The commodity market would get hit slightly. We'll see where that shakes out. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. You're going to be coming back with some numbers. Dow Industrials closed up 134. You had the NASDAQ up 28. S&Ps are up 11. We're going to be right back.